Hi everybody, Ms. Ludomsky here. I'm going to walk you through the steps of soaking and cooking dried beans. So the first thing is that you want to select some dry beans. Now, dry beans are great to use for cooking. They store for years, so you can buy them and have them forever, basically. And then you can use them in a lot of great recipes. And beans are a really good dietary supplement, especially, or just a dietary option to kind of give your body a break from meat. So I made some baked beans using Great Northern beans. And that here on the package, it does tell me some directions, but I'm going to show you the steps that I did along the way. So this is a half pound of dried beans. That package, they say to add 3 to 4 cups of hot water, boil 2 minutes, then set aside for 1 hour. Or let stand in 3 to 4 cups of cold water overnight. Drain and rinse the beans. Helpful hint, because beans are harvested from the ground in a bush, that you would want to rinse them prior to using them so that you don't get any particles or anything in your beans. So you want to, I just like this little Bitmoji, but you want to rinse your beans first. So I just put them in a colander and I just run cold water over them, make sure there's no particles or sticks or anything else that could possibly be in there. Then I want to show you the difference. This picture was when I first put them in. I put them on my stovetop. I put in 4 cups of water and I just let the beans kind of go into the pan. And then this is the next morning. This is what happened. They had absorbed water. It was really cool. So you can see how much bigger they got from just sitting overnight in the cold water. It rehydrated the beans, so they added water back in when they dehydrated them from the original process. And then these are the final products of what the beans look like when you're done. So you should have these nice soaked beans that you cook to whatever temperature you need for your recipe. You could just, once you've cooked them, you could put them in your refrigerator and cool them down and then use them in salads or any kind of little side dishes or plates that you'd like to have. You can use dried beans for your final cooking lamp, and you can do one of the Mexican vegetarian dishes. All have black beans in their recipe, and you could use dry beans if you wanted to give this a try. Thanks for watching, and I appreciate you trying your best with what we're doing.